What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we have special guest Ryan Barnes, and today we're doing a skins match on 12 lanes. So let's get into the action. Here we go, me and my Brunswick Infinity. Starting off strong, I'm going first.
It's good, I need a touch shot.
Tell me. So we got to strike once on every lane.
Got to strike once on every lane. The first person to do it wins. So if he strikes on this shot, he's up one, and we move on to the next lane. Why couldn't he do that in the last video?
Why is that
not? I needed that in the last video so bad. If he did that in the last video, that would have been massive. Yo!
Foul.
There are no fouls in action.
0.
There's no fouls in action.
What a pro, man. What a pro.
If you ask anybody in the comments, tell Ryan, no fouls in action. The house rules. I hope you foul on purpose. All right, so we tied. Since we tied and we both struck on the second shot, this lane is worth 2. If you haven't watched a skins game or know what it is, you could watch Chris Barnes play putt-putt on YouTube, and they'll show you the rules perfectly. Link to the video down below. Looks like Ryan's got himself 2 points. All right. Psych, I'm striking.
Whoa.
Boop, 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 boop. Ryan's gonna have some work to do. This one's worth 3 now. Ah! I'm on a heater now. Why can't I just throw that ball?
We got lucky.
Got lucky. I've never tripped a shot like that, by the way.
Never?
The trip 6 with the 8-10, I mean.
Never in your life?
Give me 40 slow-mos of that to put on my Instagram every week. All right, guys, I'm no chef, as most of you probably know at this point. However, Factor has been making it way easier to get some clean eating in my diet, especially when I travel. I'm on the road all the time, and even when I'm at home, I'm making tons of videos and my schedule kind of gets super busy. Factor meals are pre-prepared and ready to eat in 2 minutes. The Factor chef-prepared meals make it easy for me to eat well without having to opt in for something that might not be quite as good for me. Factor helps me avoid takeout and ordering in from restaurants. Rather than relying on fast food, I've actually started to take some on the road with me and prepare it in my hotel room. Another bonus for me is that Factor makes customization really simple. I went to the PBA League for a week and I could just go online, change my settings, and it made it very easy for me to just skip a week. Factor is now owned by HelloFresh. I've enjoyed many of the HelloFresh meals in the past, and actually right now I really enjoy switching between both of the brands. You guys can enjoy both the brands at a discount with me. Head to factor75.com or click the link down below and use code THEHOUSE50 to get 50% off your first Factor box. Guys, please, all you gotta do is go to factor75.com, and when you go there, use my code THEHOUSE50 to get 50% off your very first Factor box. So Factor's helped me take control of my nutrition, and I would highly recommend it to anybody looking to get a little bit healthier. And I'm tagging you if you miss here. This is worth 3 points.
Okay.
That's pretty good. Did you get 5 on this lane last time?
Maybe, I don't remember.
Your ball was halfway down the lane, and I did say, that's pretty good. 3 points? Guess I'm gonna move, I think? Yeah, I'm gonna move too. Hook, please.
All that power. 5-pin log.
I rolled that one a little too heavy by accident. I'll put that one on Instagram too. Screw it. You struck with the Nova earlier on this lane?
Yeah, I hope it does the same thing. Identical. I'm really starting to fry out.
Switch it up. Let Ryan go first for a little bit here. If Ryan strikes, he has to redo it. Oh, that was clutch. I saw
Mid-laugh.
I saw him smile in his backswing. We're back on the house shot lanes. All right, here we go. Strike to tie it, not strike to claim it.
Give me my point.
Wow, this is going much better than the last video. This one's worth 2.
It's faded up to 10 again. Oh my God.
Brooklyn!
If he can foul and strike, I can go Brooklyn and strike, right?
Brooklyn's don't count in action.
Let's talk to Madison.
I feel like every time I move, my ball just hooks more, so I'm just gonna stop moving. Oh, that's Brooklyn. Ah, not enough hook for me to go Brooklyn. Brian's got 2, 4-2. Anything can change here. Beauty of the format, anything can happen. Yeah, this is gonna be the house shot for sure. For sure the house chime. I'm 100% sure that this is the house shot. Move 3 left, give him the pipe. Next shot's worth 2.
That was lucky, man.
I was lucky. Keep studying, all right, Ryan?
Stay in school. Sure.
That could be to tie. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh,
How does that not flat 7?
snap the 7. Hiya. This one's worth 3.
3.
That means you could take the lead on this shot.
There we go.
technically. Just saying. Just saying, you could take the lead.
Oh.
No. My biggest fan? Who's my biggest fan? Bryden. Can't let the fans distract me. Focus back in. Focus back in. They're not the fans, they're just Matt's kids. Still nervous.
Stand up and fight. Just need a little more touch on that one. Did I hear a lead change? I have these lanes figured out though.
You got these lanes figured out?
Just right lane hooks 3 more.
Okay, I'm just gonna throw the same shot. Man does his work. I don't know if he studies in the classroom, but he certainly studies on the lanes. Balk!
Got him.
Oh my.
That was such a good shot.
I appreciate that, Ryan. It really was. You said this lane hooked 3 more. It did the same thing as the left lane. Yeah, baby, we're back in it.
Maybe not 3 left.
It's still 5-4. Yeah, it's not high pin count. It's first one to strike.
We just struck on every lane. The first.
We just struck for a while, first shot, yeah. Move 1. Go get him, kid.
Now I gotta
I
move.
wish you nothing but the best on your move to the right here.
Thanks.
Are you gonna change speeds? What do you think?
No. Yo.
And now we move.
Worth 2.
Yeah, I'm a little, the nerves are a little higher. This is a must-strike situation. A 7-pin made me nervy.
That guy, Packy Henry, let me tell you,
A 7-pin made me nervous.
he's something special.
So if I learned anything from Chris Prather over the last 12 months on tour, and Mitch too, it's when you leave your hand like this after you throw a shot, it's automatically gonna strike every time. Try it on the next one, please.
Swear?
Swear, bet that.
Let me try.
He did it for like 3 months and didn't miss a cut.
I tried it. Don't work. Why did that go 60 feet?
Try it again on the spare and reach out for your target. Not when he does it, it's like this.
Oh, it's like that?
It's not, you did like this.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, give it a run, give it a crack at the spare. Reach out for your target, please. High flush. That being said, it is 6-5. Oh yeah, do you want to go first?
Yes,
or second?
give me it.
If we tie, someone's got to win the point. We'll be here all day. You have a lot of confidence in my ability to strike.
Icing me out here,
Is this
man.
a professional setup or is it a good luck?
Whoa. Oh! Log.
This is the quickest messenger I've ever seen. Lane 48 hooks. I'm gonna move an extra 1. And this is not for game, but it strike and keep going. think I just cracked a pin in half. I'm him. That being said, tie. So we tied on the last lane. I was up 6-5, which means we're gonna have to play for 2. We're just gonna have to keep going. Next shot wins. Next shot wins. Do you want to keep going on 48?
Holy cow, why does it go so...
Here we go, strike to claim it. Ryan's like the king of messengers, but I feel like I could claim that crown back with a quick messenger right here. Also, if I messenger here, catch me with the LeBron celebration, putting the crown on my head. Here we go. Not a strike to claim it, but a messenger to claim it.
Same hit.
These foul lights aren't on. That's why I haven't been fouling. Same hit. That was not my best effort. Let the show continue. Do you want me to go first?
Sure.
Oh, switch it up. I gotta put it on him here.
Yo, what'd
Make
you say?
a better shot. I said I gotta put it on him here and make a better shot. It's because there's no fouls in action. Sometimes you just gotta walk them down the lane, make them scared. Good luck.
Someone needs to hook.
I've just been beaten by Ryan too many times. Needs a strike to stay in it. It's pretty good. What is going on? Why?
See, yours are more convincing, but mine are cooler.
Mine are more convincing. What?
Yeah, they're 10 back.
Why? Because they just disappear? The pins just disappear right away?
Yeah.
Another messenger for the boys.
I'll try to get that. Whatever. Just take me home, man.
Ryan Barnes in the house is the next episode. Ryan will be teaching me how to send messengers like that. And I'll be teaching Ryan how to strike. I hate LeBron. I can't do the Tatum because that's just a missed 3. Thank you guys for watching. As you saw, I finally took home a victory versus Ryan. Be sure, follow him on Barnesy Bowling. Follow us here on the house. And if you guys have any cool challenges that you want to see, put them down below in the comments, and you never know what you're going to see next on the house. So, and we're out. Peace.